Do you want to be a good vlogger? If you really want to be a good vlogger, then stick around because I have lovely tips for you on how to become a good vlogger. Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa Nwabia, as you already see on the screen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to be a good vlogger. Now, I know a lot of you must have joined YouTube. This is 2022 and everybody wants to evolve, everybody wants to have good things on their channel, and most people have already decided to vlog this year. So I'm going to be sharing you tips on how to be a good vlogger. Before you opened your channel, you must have already understood what you want to be on your channel, and so this is just a stepping stone on how to make you know what you should actually do and what you should not do when vlogging. So the first thing on my list is prepare your topic. Someone will be like, why should I prepare my topic? Now, the only reason why you are preparing your topic is so that you know what exactly you are doing. If you decide that you want to go shoot an amusement park, your video will be my trip to the amusement park, maybe slash the location slash where you are going to, but all you know is that whatever you are vlogging is concerning amusement park. Okay, so plan your topic so that you don't just get so scattered, putting here there. No, plan your topic, prepare your topic so that you know exactly what you are doing. But sometimes I have to be honest with you, sometimes along the line, as I kept on going and vlogging, sometimes I may just decide that I will just go out today and I'll be like, okay, fine, today the atmosphere is good, let me vlog. But as a new vlogger, or as somebody who is still trying to get used to vlogging, it is advisable for you to prepare your topic, okay? Because that way you are more organized, you prepare what you're supposed to do. There's some people who are born with vlogging anyhow, they can just come out and just vlog. But if you want to be a very successful vlogger, you should prepare your topic, you should plan your topic and streamline where you are going to, what you should do and what you should not do. So you see why it is actually good to prepare. The second one is get yourself a good camera. Be it camera, be it smartphone. Make sure that you get yourself a very nice camera, a very nice smartphone, so that when you are trying to capture moments, you don't just start having issues. Now, some of us may come out and will be like, oh, let me just vlog today, and your phone is not set, your exposure is not set. A lot of us don't even know what exposure is. The white balance, the way you balance the colors of your video setting and all that. And sometimes our phones are usually filled up with a lot of videos and you want to vlog. Imagine vlogging a very special moment, and while you're vlogging, you just see memory full, storage full, and your video stops. So before you go, make sure that you get yourself a good camera, a good smartphone, and there is enough space. I keep on centering on enough space, because when there is enough space, you are not disturbed. You just vlog. You vlog so smoothly, and when you vlog so smoothly, when you are editing your videos, you have no problem. Because there's sometimes that our phones are so filled up. Whenever I go out and I have somebody else that's vlogging, I may just start saying, please, can you give me part of your, that's not how it's supposed to be. Some of us are really good with that, but as a new vlogger, make sure that your camera, your smartphone is free. There is enough space to get enough footage so that you can actually entertain us with lovely videos. Okay, third one is carry the necessary equipment you will be needing. Now, some of us may think that when we are going to vlog, we should carry our large or tall tripod stand. No, you can get yourself a small tripod stand, or it's like there are portable tripod stands that I carried it when I was going to my NYSC camp. So they are portable tripod stand. Let me show you mine. As you can see, this is my mini tripod stand. A lot of people don't know what the tripod stand is used for. Now, if you want to know much about this tripod stand, you can feel free to go to the video that is going to be above on the screen right now. So the reason why I like this tripod stand is because it has 3 legs. You can see it already. So I can decide to put it on the floor. And I will vlog, maybe people that are passing and all that. Just put my phone there. So make sure you get necessary equipment. You can see my microphone here. There's sometimes you may want to interview people. Get the necessary equipment. Not necessarily this type of microphone. You can get the one that actually you can hold like this. Something you can hold like that, you can just talk into, and then all that. So make sure you get the necessary equipment. If you want to use an umbrella so you can actually avoid too much exposure on your videos, you can do that. There are lots of things, but make sure that you prepare. That's why I said prepare your topic, so you know exactly where you are going to and what exactly you'll be needing for your vlog. Now the fourth one I'm going to be talking about is what most people have problems with, and that is stop being shy. Stop being shy. Be yourself. I know that a lot of us will be like, wow, do you think it's so easy? I don't know how to hold myself. I don't know how to control myself. You want to be a YouTuber. Do you think being a YouTuber is an easy job? It is more like an occupation. If you want to be a good vlogger, you must step out of your boundaries. You must step out of your comfort zone and go give us some good footage. Some people may be vlogging. I'm still going to use this. And they may just be like, maybe they'll be at the back. They'll just be vlogging like this. What are you giving us? Is that how you give us good footage? No. When you are giving us good footage, make sure you go close to your subject or close to your area or close to the place that you want us to see. Okay, now, let me give you this scenario. You go for a roller coaster ride and you're just vlogging the place as it's just rolling. Why are you? No. As you are on that roller coaster ride, you can hold your camera and position it the way you want to and give us the lovely way that is rolling, so that even if we are not there, we feel it. Okay, most of you may think that it's just about giving us videos. Some of us actually use these videos as case studies. Some of us use these videos to actually know how a place looks like without even going there. Okay, now if take for instance my going to my Kano NYSC camp, I have lots of views on that video because that video was very, very descriptive. Though I missed some places, but I was able to patch it up to make it very, very informative. So if you are going to that camp, you know exactly what you are going for and you know exactly the right routes to follow. Even if I didn't know exactly my landmarks, I didn't really know the landmarks I was supposed to use, but with that video you can have a very, very nice description of exactly where you are going to. So don't be shy. If I was in the car and I was like, oh, these people are with me and I cannot vlog, I'm shy, I don't know what to do, am I a YouTuber? No. As a YouTuber, you should step out of your comfort zone and know exactly how to get the right footage for your audience. Your audience is just, it's just like for those who watch YouTube on TV, your audience are just those who are watching you on the television. And some of us don't watch on our smartphones, some of us watch on our laptops, some of us watch on our TV. So what exactly are you giving us? Are you staying far away to give us footage, or are you coming close to give us the footage that we want to see? So don't be shy. Step out of your comfort zone and give us that footage so you can get more views on your channel. I think that's a good idea. Don't you agree? Fifth one is make sure you get the necessary footage that will be needed to drive the point or drive the information that you are passing out. The information you are passing out is very, very important. If you do not have the right footage to back it up, it's as good as not even vlogging at all. So make sure that you get the necessary footage that your audience will need in case you want to drive an information or a topic. Get the necessary footage that will be good to drive your topic, that will be able to drive the information. Oh, I went to the beach. Oh, my girls and I went to the beach. I had a lovely vacation at the beach. What did you see at the beach? I saw sand. I saw snails. I saw crabs. I saw a lovely salty water, which I entered. I did this. I did that. Oh, we played volleyball. These are things that are being done and seen on the beach. You have driven your topic. You have given us the information we need. Do you get me now? The sixth tip is make sure your vlog is very, very relatable and it's something that somebody can easily relate to. Because when you are vlogging and you are not really giving that vibe that you may need to drive your topic, it's as good as not vlogging at all. So make sure that you are as original as you can be. You are relatable, so that it's more like you are telling your story and the person is like, okay, wow, so this is what you saw. You are like talking to that person. Okay, wow, is this what you saw? Is it what you saw at the beach? Is this what you saw at the amusement park? you are relating with your audience. Make sure that your videos are relatable and they are as original as possible. The more original they are, the more you drive your information. The more you drive your information, the more your views. It's a win-win. So with these few points of mine, I hope I was able to convince you and let you know that these are necessary tips that you will need to be a good vlogger. Now, if you have more tips to give the audience, feel free to drop it in the comments below. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found this video very, very helpful. Till we meet next, I'm going to be sharing you very, very nice tips on how to expand your SEO. And also, I know I promised some time before that I was going to put a video on keyword. Expect that very soon. Bye.